following counties in Pennsylvania: Beaver, Butler, and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Brighton, or near Beaver Falls, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cranberry, Zelienople, Harmony, Bridgewater. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 14 and 26. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 81 and 93. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The forecast for Pittsburgh and Weather Bulletin. For the Pennsylvania, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in Meridian, or near Butler, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Butler, Homaker, Lindora, Northview, Meridian, Meadowood, Oak Hills, Evans City, Nixon, Prospect, East Butler, Connequanessing, Callery. This includes Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 90 and 92. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. At 4 p.m., elsewhere across southwest Pennsylvania, West Mifflin partly sunny 90 degrees. Flash flood warning. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Beaver, and Washington. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for west central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, south central Beaver County in western Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Moon Township, Imperial, Hanover Township, Pittsburgh International Airport, Inlow, and Raccoon Creek State Park. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of the deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.